I don't normally do unboxing videos, but it looks like this particular package has had a hard journey, and it's marked fragile. And if there is some question, I want to have some documentation of how it arrived and how it came out of the box. First layer came off all right. So, down to the SkyGo box that says cylinder kit 1 set. And yeah, it looks like it has been knocked around a bit. Here is the cylinder base gasket and head gasket, and they appear to be in fine shape. Here we have the cylinder itself. Here's the piston pin, the piston pin retainers, the piston rings, the piston appears to be in there. Those two are pretty hard, I thought. There we go. Not corroded or stuck. The cylinder walls appear to be properly honed, lightly lubed. And it says it's a 149 cubic centimeters kit. The engine comes stock with a 144 So yeah, this is exactly what I ordered in perfect factory condition.